Hi guys, welcome. Thanks again for tuning in. Today is May 8th, 2020. Today we'll be talking about becoming a millionaire in this episode. And the way that we're going to be doing this is through option trading. So we're going to try to become a millionaire through option trading. And we're going to test out strategies that I've been learning about, whether it's through learning through YouTube videos or reading. Just trying out many different strategies, but today the strategies that we'll be doing is trading the cues, and so today I'll be showing you what we'll be trading. We're showing you our results for today and the strategy that we'll be trading on, how we're trading. So let's get into it. Alright guys, let me show you what we will be trading. So as usual, we will be trading the cues, which is an ETF that follows the market, and our results. So this is how we did today. As you can see here with the cues for today, we made a total of $355. And overall, this is the second week of me trading this strategy. And overall, we made $2,371 minus commissions. And I can see the breakdown here. If it allows me to click onto it. There you go. So we made 4 trades today. We made 4 trades in a total. Each trade that we did, first one was $75. Second was $220. Third one was $60. Actually, this was the fourth one, so I bought the same contract here, which added to $220 for this put call here. So in total, we made $355. That's how we did today. That's our results, and this is the strategy. So what we look for, So we look for extreme levels. We look for support and resistance, and we look for reversals. And our strategy is to sculpt. So this is basically what I've did. Okay, so the first thing that I look for is stochastic momentum index. We want the momentum to start going up. So as the market opened at 8:30 here, as you can see, the stochastic momentum green line here, which I customize it to put in these dots instead, which you can do as well. And once the dot crosses above the red line, we show the momentum is going up. And the second thing we look for is the slow RSI is starting to increase momentum here as well too. So the way I trade this is with the slow RSI. When this line here with the dots is below the yellow line and it's in the red zone, this is the bearish sentiment. This is the bullish sentiment. So anytime that is the lines here are trading around these zones, to me it tells me that the sentiment is bearish, and we're looking for bearish patterns or option plays. And anytime that is above this zone here in the green line, that obviously is the bullish sentiment, and that's basically what we would be looking for, is to be playing up or buying calls. And this Williams percent here will show me, which is the 3 period, which I like to put, which I like to use, which will show me entry points either to the upside, entry points either to the downside. So that's how I'll be playing this. Step 1, what we're looking for is the stochastic momentum index here for it to cross upwards. So as you can see here, the price charts broke support. These green lines here show support, red line here shows resistance. So as it broke support here, I'm looking for reversal when the market opened. So the market started to open here, which shot down, and I saw the momentum was going down, so I'm looking for a reversal. So the first step here, what I did was look for a crossing, and once the stochastic momentum index cross, Now I'm looking for these dots here to line up. So as this is increasing here, and this also increasing from the low dot to the high dot, and the willingness percent here is now hitting the green line. This is my entry. So basically I bought at this dot here. This is my entry point. So when this opened up at this level here, I bought there and I scalped it. So I'm only looking for 20 to 50 cents, which obviously I've took the profit around here and made my first, I think it was from here, I made about $60 like I mentioned. So the first trade that I did here, I made $60, and I continue on doing that strategy. As long as I see more of the momentum up, then I would buy again at every single willingness percent buy points and sell points. So I bought there, right here. This arrow here also shows a resistance break. So it broke the resistance right there. The arrow showed up, but I bought because of the dot here. And so when the dot showed up, I took my position around here and sold it for about $75, which is around there. And I kept on doing the strategy the whole day, which which was, I think, 4 trades in total, which for the day I ended up for the day I ended up with $355. And the way that I put in the trade, I just bought the earliest expiration for the option chain here. I went here, bought the weeklies, May 8th, and I like to buy in the money. So for the puts, I come here where it's highlighted, I would buy there, and I usually buy 5 contracts because the commissions are a little bit lower, and 5 contracts gives me enough bang for my buck. And then I would set my price here. I usually like to set my price before I enter. I would lower it until the blue dot goes to the mid level here, and when it goes there, then I would press confirm and send, and then I wait until it buys me at that level. And once it does, I come back here, and then I would set this to sell about, for example, if I bought this at 45, I like to come here and put my exit target to be 15 above. So 45 is the entry price from an option. Then I like to sell it at 60. So that's about 15 cents above. Then I would press confirm and send. And that's how I do it. That's how I would scalp, about 15 cents off of the option price. And so far, the strategy's been working. As you can see here, this is the second week. Nope, there you go. The market just closed. So I would be up 2,300 in a matter of 2 weeks. So the strategy is working so far. All right, there you have it. That's our trade for today, and that's how we did for the whole week. So today is Friday, May 8th to 2020, and we done pretty well. So we made about 2,000 in 2 weeks. That's 1,000 a week, and that's meeting our goal, because our goal is to reach 1,000 a week. And so far it's been working with the strategy. So we're going to keep on doing with the strategy and see how well we do until we become a millionaire. All right, thanks guys for tuning in and watching and follow along with me to becoming a millionaire. Whereas we are testing out different strategies and keeping consistent with the strategies that are working. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to follow along, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click that bell notification to get new videos every chance that I get to make these videos. I know I don't make them too often, but slowly I'm going to be having more time to make them videos, possibly daily. And then you can follow along with me every step of the way. Thanks again, guys. See you next time.